Hi, welcome to the first CodeHS video. In this video, we're going to introduce you to programming with Karel the Dog. So who or what is this Karel? Well, Karel is a dog who listens to your commands, and here I have a picture of Karel. So, and what do we do exactly with this Karel? Well, we can move around Karel's world and put down tennis balls. So let's take a look at Karel's world. Karel lives in a grid world where each dot represents a location that Karel can be at, and Karel can move around this world and put down tennis balls. But more specifically, what can Karel do? Well, Karel knows only 4 commands: move, turn left, put ball, and take ball. Move moves Karel one spot in the direction that he's facing. Turn left rotates Karel 90 degrees to the left. Put ball adds 1 ball in the spot that Karel's at, and take ball removes 1 ball. So let's dissect a Karel command. What exactly do you need to write? Well, first, it must be one of those 4 words that Karel knows. There are no spaces in the commands. You need to match the capitalization exactly, and each command needs to end in open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, so that Karel can understand it. So the best way to learn how to program and the best way to dive into Karel is just by doing it. So we're going to write our first Karel program, which starts in the world on the left with Karel in the bottom left corner facing east, and ends in the world on the right where Karel has moved 2 spots, put down a tennis ball, and then moved 2 more spots. So let's go into our code editor and write this program. Okay, so what we want to do first is have Karel move, and then move again. Let's just click run to see what this does so far. Move, move. And if I change the speed and reset, run, move, move, Karel moves slower. Well, then we want to put down a ball, and then we want to move, and then we want to move again. So let's reset and run our program. So Karel will follow the commands that we give him in order. So move, move, put ball, move, move. Well, there you go. We've done it. We've written our first Karel program. Now it's your turn to try writing your own Karel program.